On this episode of TJ Mitchell Films, we are gonna take these 35-inch tires off this F-150 and put them on the Samurai. We just got the first tire on. Look how ridiculous it looked. Oh man, wow. Talk about a step up from 31s. That's gonna do it for today's video, guys. That was a fun little experiment, but not something I would really recommend. Samurai on Samurai axles, 35s, no go. Something about these wheels and tires was not balanced either, right? So it's getting death wobble, it was horrible. We're gonna put the 31s back on it. That's the right size for it, and the thing works great. But you do have to admit, it looks pretty mean with these 35s on it. They look huge on the tin top. My other Samurai has 35s, but it's on Toyota axles and it's much longer, and they don't look nearly this big. Like, just look at the wheel well here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys can be notified when my next video goes live. See you in the next one. Thank you.